Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll go over the neuron model. The three main parts of a neuron are the soma, or the cell body, the axon, and the axon terminals at the end of the axon. In the center of the soma, we have the nucleus. In the nucleus, we have the nucleolus. In the cytoplasm, we have different organelles. We have the Golgi Apparatus, Mitochondria, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Lysosomes, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is called Nissel bodies in the neuron. From the soma, we have processes. These processes, they carry the signal from the nearby neurons toward the soma. These processes are called dendrites. Don't confuse dendrites with dendrocytes. Dendrocytes are cells which are part of your immune system. Dendrites are processes from the soma of a neuron. Now, right here, we have the Axon Hillock, which connects the soma with the axon. So this cone-shaped base of the axon is the Axon Hillock. This part is the initial segment of the axon. The axon is myelinated, right here and here. The cell that myelinates the axon in the peripheral nervous system is the Schwan cell. So that's the nucleus of a Schwan cell. That is the cytoplasm of the Schwan cell. The entire structure is the myelin sheath. So right here, this is the myelin sheath. Also right here is the myelin sheath. The top layer of the myelin sheath is called the neurolemma. So that is the neurolemma. Again, here, the entire thickness right here is the myelin sheath. The top layer is the neurolemma. Now right here, that's the axon. This area of the axon is called the axolemma, which is basically the cell membrane of the axon. That's the axolemma. And this right here is the cytoplasm of the axon. This is called the Axoplasm. Axoplasm. We can see a mitochondrion here. That's another mitochondrion. The unmyelinated areas of the axons, which is this right here and this, these are called node of Ranvier or myelin sheath gap. So let's repeat that on that part here. First of all, this is the axon. The cytoplasm of the axon right here, this is called the axoplasm. The blue part right here, which is the plasma membrane of the axon, this is called the axolemma. Axolemma, axoplasm. Now moving to this part, the entire thickness of this structure, this is called the myelin sheath. That's the myelin sheath. The top layer of the myelin sheath is the neurolemma. The cell that produces the myelin sheath in the peripheral nervous system is the Schwan cell. The last part of this model are the axon terminals, which right here we can see they are in close proximity to a skeletal muscle cell. Right here, these are the axon terminals, which are in close proximity to another soma of another neuron. Check my video on the synapse, where I go over the structures and the function of the synapse.